Let's make a simple PowerPoint Gantt chart using a stacked bar chart. Creating the basic chart. Open a new PowerPoint slide. Insert a stacked bar chart. You can find this in the Insert tab under Charts. Entering project data. Write the names of your tasks on the left side of the chart. Write time on the bottom. Each row in the chart is for one task. Write how long each task takes in the right column. Customizing the chart. Use different shapes or colors to mark important points in your project. Add words to explain what each task, milestone, and connection means. Try different ways to arrange the chart to make it easy to understand. Formatting the chart. Make the colors, fonts, and style of the chart look like the rest of your presentation. Use bars or boxes to show how long each task takes. If one task needs to be finished before another, draw a line or arrow to show the connection. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.